Hey, to set alarm clock on your Huawei Nova Y61, first you have to search for the clock application. When you open it, you will have to go to the alarm and you've got two presets. You can also create more of them, but let's focus on these two presets. So let's turn on, for example, this one, and if you want to customize it, you have to click on it. Then right here you can change hour, AM to PM if you are using 12-hour format. Then we've got the repeat, so we can set it for example from the Sunday to Saturday, so basically every day. Here we can change the sound, so that's the custom sounds, and by going to the music on the device we can set our custom, that's the custom sound from our device, and that's the default sounds. Also you can turn on or off the vibrations and change the vibration pattern. When you go back, you can also find the label, and here the ring duration, and also snooze duration. If you want to confirm, just click right here on the right upper corner. If you want to remove any of these presets, just open it and tap delete. Confirm, and we get rid of it. If you want to create the new one, tap on the plus and set it up. That's all. Bye!